Hi, this is Greg. I'm having a look at a bug in Wirecast 9.0.1 relating to virtual sets and template replacement of input sources. In front of you here we've got the virtual set that I use for my regular web stream. Over to the right I've got two input sources. One is a Canon EOS camera coming in via a Blackmagic Thunderbolt box. Then we've got this FaceTime camera that I'm using to record right now. If we go back over here to the right and we go change source, source A, we're going to try it first with the built-in FaceTime camera, and that works as expected. I'll just press Command Z to back that out, and we'll put the shuttle source into there, and the screen geometry is all incorrect, which makes it very difficult when you're doing a live show to actually have a template being used if the object that you bring in doesn't fill the same space and dimensions as that template as you would expect. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time. Bye.